A small presentation from Mr. Jeevan about his business model, the startups and entrepreneurs.
Good afternoon. You have these different problems. It could be your finances, it could be your operations, it could be your sales. SMEs typically a problems అయితే on a daily basis face చేస్తారో we're trying to bring a solution for all of them together. It is very ambitious, చాలా పెద్ద task లా ఉంటుంది. But I think it is really a matter of trying this for the first time in India maybe and to see whether we can do it. Yeah. I'll ask some questions on whether you really face these problems to understand. Yeah. Is this the problem that bogs you the most? I mean, is it something that you think of every day? అంటే ఎక్కువగా దీని గురించి బాధపడే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయో చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో ఆర్ మై ఫైనాన్సెస్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ ప్లేస్? అంటే ఎప్పుడు ఫైనాన్సెస్ చీప్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్కడైనా దొరుకుతుందా, వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ లోన్ లాంటిది కానీ, పేమెంట్స్ అండ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఎలాగా, ఆల్సో కెన్ ఐ రన్ మై ఆపరేషన్స్ బెటర్, అండ్ మ్యాన్ పవర్ని ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేయాలి, హౌ డు ఐ గెట్ లేబర్ ఇన్ టైమ్, how can I grow my sales and customer base, and finally do I have one place where I can go and find solutions to all my problems? I think that is what we are trying to bring together, a platform that will bring in solutions from across all your problems. The value proposition of Nemo is simply threefold. First thing is we want to reduce your costs to the point where it makes sense to you. Second thing is to give you quick access to capital, and finally help you grow sales and customers. So these are the three steps that we propose as part of Nemo. And the Nemo solution is sixfold. The first part is the Nemo Bank, where we are trying to automate all your accounts. So Ivala, my accounts could be in Excel, it could be in an Excel sheet, or it could be in a piece of paper, or it would just be in your head. So we want to automate that, bring it to a point where you're able to automate a lot of those processes and save enough time for you. And then we're bringing a layer of analytics that will kind of analyze this information. Now, how is it different from what Zoho does? It's pretty much that the analytics that we are building are going to be pretty deep into your business. And they're very customized for a manufacturing as MSME. They're not a generic piece of software, which is why we differentiate. And then once we figure out who you are, really, we understand and give you a snapshot of the business you are. And then we're bringing in a real expert who can come and help you. And that expert could be someone like Mr. Desai, who would probably be able to give you better advice than the platform itself. And then we also bring in a Nemo Connect, a layer which helps you with working capital support, like Mr. Srikanth as was suggesting. So if you need a working capital support, then we kind of bring them in there. And then post that, we have a micro version of all that we do. If you do not want to be bogged by opening a bank account, having your accounts automated, we have a simplified piece, which is the Nemo Micro, which will just look at your cash transactions. It works like a ledger for you to begin with, and it will have a revolving line of credit. And then finally, the trade platform, which is our vision for you. We want to give you explosive sales growth. So ultimately, we want you to take that path where you are today towards seeing 10x growth in your sales, and of course, revenues and profits follow. So how does Nemo work in simple 3 steps? First thing is you automate. You automate your finances, your payments, and everything that matters to your business. And the second part is you understand them deep enough. You help us understand your health, business health, and also help you yourself understand your health well enough. And then after that, you take action. And the action could be, as I said, you contact an expert to help you. You contact a lending partner or a bank who will be able to give you enough capital. And then finally, approach our commerce platform, which is a trade platform, which will help you take that explosive sales jump. This is the user journey we propose on Nemo, and we think the way we envision this is going to be the India's first MSME growth engine. It is not a siloed piece of software that we are selling that would give you impact on one vertical of your business. Rather, we are trying to bring in everything together. And then the USP is it is a two-way marketplace. It is not that someone is trying to push offers or sales to you. Rather, MSMEs have the power to discover the solution that they need. We are going to create a two-way marketplace where you as an MSME will decide which offer to choose out of the range of options available. Yeah, so this is our team briefly. We are going to be a one-stop solution for any business need. If you have a business problem, if you find a solution, I'm happy. If you don't, you should still contact me and understand why you can't find a solution.